Guys, welcome back. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 64 Corvette Stingray. So this comes under Hotwheels Race Day series. So let's open it and see how it looks. Okay, here is a closer look of it. This white looks really beautiful, and here is the front view. It's really shiny. So the rims looks really nice. Okay, see the glass is tinted, so I don't know whether you guys can able to see the interior here, but let me just try once. It's a little bit visible. So as you can see, there are no suspensions or anything in this one. So this is the basic Hot Wheels car. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be a great help if you guys subscribe. And thank you guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Goodbye.